How do you take your longevity supplements? Eating a yogurt before you swallow the capsules, like David Sinclair does. In this video, we will show you a much better way than yogurt, since this could even compromise your health. Get ready for the absorption of supplements on steroids. This recipe takes you only 2 minutes a week to prepare, and it is not limited to supplements. It will help you to better absorb all you eat throughout the day. Let's dive right into it. Most supplements, especially in the anti-aging field, are not cheap. They are expensive. What if I told you that much of it have a serious absorption issue, like Resveratrol and NMN? These are unstable molecules which will be destroyed by your liver and your digestive system. If you don't use it right, you will end up paying a lot of money just for getting no results, and worst of it, you would not even know it. Most of you know David Sinclair, the Harvard professor who promotes Resveratrol and NMN and the like for anti-aging. What some of you might have overheard when he speaks about it is how he takes it. There is always this yogurt which he takes prior to the supplements. At a first glance, it sounds like not being that much important, but as you'll see in a minute, it is. Before you run to your refrigerator now and get out a yogurt, hold on for a second. What yogurt is David Sinclair taking? David is not using a commercially bought yogurt from the supermarket. This would be counter-effective for your entire anti-aging efforts, and it would not bring you the desired results. David uses a homemade, self-made yogurt. Well, you are not into making the yogurt yourself, we understand. But there is an easy way to fix it. Stay till the end, you will be glad you did, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. David Sinclair is taking this yogurt to enhance absorption because he is well aware of the fact that there is an issue when it comes to absorption. This issue is not limited to one supplement alone, but to several of them. Especially Resveratrol and NMN both have serious absorption issues and both have a short half-life. Both are unstable molecules that have a very hard time to make it through your digestive tract. The same applies to melatonin and glutathione and many other valuable molecules for that matter. If you have been following this channel for longer, then you will know that we are a huge fan of patches and suppositories just because of these reasons. Do I really need to enhance absorption prior to take those supplements, you might ask yourself? And can the yogurt travel fast enough to do the magic in my gut prior to the arrival of the supplement? Or let's say what is left of it? These are legitimate questions which we will explain to you in a minute. Let's take NMN for example. How is this being absorbed? In fact, there has been a groundbreaking study published in PubMed with mice, which clearly demonstrates that once your gut bacteria has been destroyed, that there is no effect of NMN at a cellular level all. The supplement renders useless. The authors of the study have given antibiotics to one group of mice in order to destroy their gut bacteria. The other group were not treated with antibiotics. After that, they gave NMN and they observed no effects on a cellular level. Whereas the control group of mice that were not treated with antibiotics, there was a cellular effect as expected. This demonstrates the importance of your gut bacteria when it comes to absorption, and holds also true for Resveratrol. So here is a perfectly nice recipe that helps you to overcome this issue, and you don't have to rely on commercially available yogurts, nor do you have to make the yogurt yourself. Get yourself a bowl of kefir. Kefir is very different from yogurt health-wise. Kefir is fermented milk, and as such comes with over 300 enzymes. GMO foods have disrupted our ability to absorb much of the things we take. Not only supplements, but also foods that we eat. This simple solution will turn this process upside down. Add to this kefir a bunch of B vitamins. Whatever is available, just open the capsule and add the powder to your kefir. If you have tablets, you might want to smash them in a bowl to a powder-like substance. It might surprise you to learn that preparing a kefir mix can be a game changer in enhancing the absorption of those precious vitamins and supplements. Now let's delve into the process of preparing this magical mix. First, gather your choice of vitamins like B12, B1, B3, B5, or even folic acid. Add a sprinkle of black pepper and a dash of olive oil, or any other fat of your preference. Stir this concoction well and leave it to sit overnight at room temperature. Rest assured it won't spoil. Allow this mixture to sit undisturbed until morning. Upon waking, take a small sip of this liquid, preparing your body for the intake of your daily supplements like Resveratrol, which should be consumed about half an hour to 1 hour later. The remainder of the kefir can be stored in the refrigerator for future use. If you have additional supplements to take in the afternoon, simply repeat the process. A single batch of this mix can last for a week, as only a sip is needed each time. Half a liter of kefir goes a long way and can work wonders for your health. If the taste is not to your liking, a little stevia can be added. It masks the bitter taste from the B vitamins, making it taste more like the yogurt you buy at the store. Sweetness, after all, is key. This kefir mix can significantly boost your absorption rate, making it an absorption powerhouse. Additionally, it eliminates the need to swallow B vitamins for the day. It also combats compromised gut absorption issues caused by GMO foods. Even the salad you eat will be absorbed much better. This method is a game changer and is not limited to your supplements. Supplements like Resveratrol and NMN are not cheap, and we want to ensure that whatever makes it through the digestive tract has a significant impact on our health. In essence, the preparation of this kefir mix is simple, and it takes you only 3 minutes a week to prepare. An easy step in enhancing the absorption of your daily supplements, ensuring that you derive maximum benefits from them. It's a small change, but it can make a world of difference to your health. So, why not give it a try? If this video has been beneficial for you, please hit a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Your support is greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.